I always have to make videos at stupid 10. I mean, I always have to wait until Skype is till stupid 10. What's your thoughts on that? Ew.
Ugh.
Now I only have 3 hours to talk today. Wow, why? Only 3 hours to talk today? That's bullcrap. And she says I might even have a lesson. Mr. Hata.
Skype won't let us add anyone to the calls.
Here, I'll add Tyler back. I'll add him.
Dang it, this is ridiculous.
Oh, fucking God.
It's not letting us all call each other. What on earth?
I added Tyler.
It's not letting us add anyone to our call.
I added Tyler.
Why isn't it working?
Well, at least Tyler.
Yeah, he's probably not going to pick up. See? It's not letting us add Zach.
Mr. Hata.
We can't get Zach to the call, dang it. This is not...
I have bad news. I can only talk for 3 hours today.
Well, you're still
I
young.
always have to just wait till the Skype until stupid 10.
Well, you're still young, though. It's
Till
different.
stupid 10.
Well, you're still young, though.
This is pointless. Why do I have to just wait until 10 every freaking morning? No. What am I supposed to do then? Just sleep until 10? No. I'm not doing that because I can't sleep after 10. So I don't have very good sleep at all. I always wake up around 7.
That's good. You want to wake up early. That's good. Getting up late never works.
I just want to wake up late.
No, then you'll waste half the day.
Oh, Sky! Stop! Stop this nonsense! Mr. Hofta, don't you... Sky, I'm begging you, stop this. And don't have the testing service either.
And why on earth can't we email anything to each other now? Now we can't even upload any videos now. None of the videos are uploading. It's like, it's stuck. It's stuck. Dang it, you Skype. Dang it, YouTube.
Skype, screw you.
Have to redo this soon. Gotta leave, though, pretty soon.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Sky, stop. Sky, stop.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
Ew, Skype, Oliver, do you like to talk to you? Nigga, nervous. Mr. Hata. Mr. Hata.
Yeah.
Do
you like the song Niggas in Pair?
No.
I thought you liked that song. Don't you listen to rap, Mr. Hawkins?
No. Ugh. Can't stand rap. That's a personal opinion, though.
I thought you watched me. I thought you listened to rap, Mr.
No.
Hawkins. Mr. Hobson loves to rap. Yeah. It's not 11 yet. It's only 10:30. Yeah, it is. It's 10:56. Want proof? Here's my. What's wrong?
No, Dad's to the right time.
This is 10:36.
No, it's 11.
It's 10. We're not eating lunch.
No, Dad's.
Liar, liar. It's on fire.
Stop!
Harass your sister. Don't listen to her.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
You're not eating